Hello guys, welcome back to our channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to create an account in Walmart. So first you have to open your Google web browser, and in the search you have to type Walmart and enter it. And from the search results, a Walmart website will pop out, and click on this first option. And on the top right corner there's a sign in option. Click on this, and it says that sign in or create your account. So you simply have to type your email address, and if you already have an account, then they will check for you. So click on the continue. So see that you have to create your Walmart account. So first you have to type your first name, your last name, and you have to create a password. So make your password strong as possible to secure it. And after you've done that, you simply have to click on the create account, and that is how you can create a Walmart account. So don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell notification icon for more upcoming uploads.